Hi, my name's Amir. I live in the southeast of England with my family. We've just rebuilt our house. As we got to the end of the project, we thought, wouldn't it be great to have a spa or a hot tub? And then as we got researching, we decided that actually a swim spa would be supremely better than all of that put together. And then we started researching swimming pools and we realized that actually a swim spa is probably the best of all the worlds. Comes in one unit, really easy to install. We had to crane it in between two houses, but that wasn't too bad. And then everyone said to us, oh, you're not going to use it. But actually, in reality, we're using it most days. During the summer, we're in it all the time. We were in it on Christmas Day last year, and our children are now having swimming lessons in it. We actually probably feel like it's the best thing we did in our house. We put a lot of cool features in when we built it, but this is probably the most exciting part of it. It's got speakers, it's got lights, everyone loves it. Pretty much every party we have, we all end up in there until 1 o'clock in the morning. So then we started researching which brand to buy, and we went with the Wellis.eu spa. We looked at some of the other manufacturers as well, and we really liked the build quality. We love the design, it looks really, really crisp. The extras you can add on, like the speakers and like the rowing machine, really, really nice. I mean, we'd really recommend it to everyone. Like, it's absolutely a fabulous addition to a home if you want some water feature or some swimming facilities in your home.